everyone. We are the reporters for today. Before we start our report, I would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Mary Faith Emergudo. I am Ana Bridget Achapan. And our topic for today is stages of physiology of human sexual responses. So, Nagkara ka ng kuhan. Ang reminder lang, be open-minded lang kanya. We're already a college student and hindi na kayo magkakalam. Mature enough. Yes. Mature na tayo ba? Mature na ba ang tanan? Open-minded lang yan. So first, human sexual response cycle. So, kasi, ang masag sa panahonaan sa aming human sexual response cycle. Anyone? Kasi na, pakadal mo human sexual response cycle.
Kana bitaw ay mga pag-raise sa mga kanang sexual nga urges then unsa pag-cool down.
So the sexual response cycle refers to a sequence of physical and emotional changes that occur as the person becomes sexually aroused and participates in sexually stimulating activities. So kanito daw sexual response cycle, more ni ang physical and emotional, ano magbag-ubag ko ang ato ang physical and emotional activities. Kung magkakawasa o sexual activities, which means intercourse and masturbation. So, knowing how your body responds during each phase of the cycle can enhance your relationship and help you pinpoint the cause of sexual dysfunction. So, makatabang po, by understanding the human sexual response cycle, so makatapos ko yan para makasabot ko talaga kay siyempre, kuhon ay uy, mabili niyo ko so this physiological response model was first formulated by William H. Masters and Virginia A. Johnson in their 1966 book Human Sexual Response. So these are the four phases of sexual responses, which is excitement, plateau, orgasm, and resolution. First, I'm the one going to discuss the excitement phases. So excitement phases. So noon siya kanang like start ko kanang mo-feel mo excitement before sexual activity. So duration can last from a few minutes to an hour and triggered by an exciting stimulus that triggers the body for sexual activity. So sa males, blood flow to the penis leads to erection, and sa females, clitoris swells and vaginal lubrication increases. And sex flush may appear on the chest or throat. So sa girls, ay sa girls excitement, so ang labia is swell, clitoris is more enlarged, ang bladder, and ang uterus is kanang mo erect siya, and the vaginal lubrication appears. And sa laki is profile is erect. Yes. Erect ang penis sa laki. And una ang may nabok sa first stage, stage, excitement, response. And the next is the plateau phase. Plateau phase. And the body prepares for orgasm reaching maximum arousal. So physical changes. So penis and clitoris swell further with blood. Women's breast and vaginal area expand and increase heart rate, blood pressure, and breathing. Muscle tension heightens in anticipation of orgasm. So, penis and clitoris swell down, and ang breast sa girls is kanang mo enlarge na siya, and then mo expand ang vaginal area, and then mo increase ang heart rate, bali ang heart rate ana. Mas pas ang heartbeat, pati ang breathing. So, ano siya, blood to face. Face na siya. So, the next sexual response is a face. Okay? So, uterus elevate. So, mas tingduan mo dyan, neighbor po siya. Diba, yun naman tutaman doon sa assignment. So, mas tingduan mo dyan, okay. And clitoris retracts. Color change in labia. Polymersion, reddish. And vaginal expands. Expand ang vagina sa girl. And orgasmic.
Now you bleeding?
Yes. Then, Cooper's gland secretion. So, the color code condition of reddish to the blood as girls. And then, ang ilahang prostate is with large code. Then, ang scrotum nila is thickened. Marked increase in size of testis. Testis fully elevated. And, yeah, muna siya ang blood to face. Next, face na siya, sorry.
So the next is our orgasm phase. The two phase, which is preparation. So kanina tayo sa orgasm, ano siya ang phase of sexual excitement with intense pleasure. So in females, vaginal muscles contract, while in males, penile contractions result in ejaculation releasing semen. Both males and females experiencing heart rate and beating. So ang kanitiya, ano siya ang kanang if they make love. What happens? Kailangan mo magbaat, hindi para sige mo ni your heart rate increase. Then, yeah. Natin sa tali is mag-release, ejaculate sila, like, ejaculation is kanang release lang 7 minutes.
Ano siya ang sa orgasm.
So, contractions in girls, then rectal, pictor, contract, then ang area ng one is blooming, contraction, sa kanina siya.
So, murag ko, yun ang na, mutay na, guys, mutay ang kuan na sana orgasm.
Then contraction, urinary contraction, then internal sphincter of bladder closed, seminal is contract.
Ano siya po babos sa stage sa orgasm phase. Next.
Next is the resolution phase, the last stage of ultrasound. The body gradually returns to its routine state. So, ani, balik na sa normal na ilahang genital nurse to provide ang exercise, ang body shape, ilahang blood pressure, ilahang heart rate normal na. And then, so, ani kay na, kung ano nila, balik ang resolution phase. Pero ang woman, ani, ay mabalik na daw ang ilang kanang kuan nila orgasm well balik ra kanang orgasm sa kanang female after sila mag kanang meet love
Kanang ang women kay kanang sa pila pa siya makuanan mo mag-advance sa this orgasm.
mangikan balik ang bait while ang
Isa nga ba?
laki
Walang iba na bait dapat
well ang laki ko no in contrast men come to our refractory period so ang refractory period is kanang physical sexually responsive yeah. It lasts for a minute or for several hours, but for this surgery, this may last for several days. So, ano siya, no? Ang differences between men and women are
Ang uterus is mo lower na siya. Yan siya direct. Ang vagina will return to normal size. Diba? So, kanina is mid-spot. So, ano sa resolution phase is mo balik na sa normal size ang vagina area. Dalang seminal tree. Then, orgasmic platform disappears. And then sa laki, erection disappears. So, sa kanina, hinaon siya. Ang scrotum is between na siya. Di ba kanina, kay ning peak siya. Ini by resolution phase na stage. Alin yun? Kapalik ay ang scrotum, parang sa na.
Nanay, ang
Scrotum,
forma
wala siya ka na. Ilang kahawin na lang.
Kanang wala pa yung kanang tutok.
Wala yung kahawin sa itlog sa laki.
Walang galang.
So, siya nakasabot na ba sa yes. So, Juan, any question? Thank you for the information. So, ano siya ang 4 phases of human sexual response. Thank you.